So we have ordered this Sonos Arc speaker from Sonos.com. So they have delivered this thing from Sonos Europe. They actually deliver it from Netherlands, some warehouse. So they ship it through DHL, and it came like this as a one box. There is a label here. It says Arc, Sonos Arc, designed in the USA, assembled in China. But let's look at what's inside. Here, so this is the front side of the box. You can see the picture of the Arc speaker is here, and it's a black box. I have ordered the black Sonos, so the cover of the box is also black. It looks like there is something unlock button here. Let me see what this mean. And here is also something is written. Some unlock sign. Voice control subject to regional availability. But let's see what it is inside there. There is also an unlock button in the other side, in the cover box. Okay, this is used to unlock this box. So I have to open it and press this way. Oh. And similarly, there is another one in the other side. And press this thing to the other side, to the unlock side. This is quite ingenious. Oh, this is quite ingenious. This is, now we are getting to that. Now this is the Arc bar. It comes with nice black cloth. It's quite smooth. Let me see how to open this cloth. And it looks quite premium. And there is a sticker on top of it. We see. Yeah, there is some blah blah written here. But let's open the box. Wow. Now, let's open the cover here, and it looks amazing. Now let me see how to unwrap this one. Is there any other way to unwrap this one? This is Sonos Arc. Looks quite heavy and sturdy in design and build quality. There is a play pause button here. I don't know what these bars are or these buttons are for. There is a mic button here. It looks like, and there is a LED to signal something, but let me check like what is the purpose. There are brackets to install it to the wall or to mount it to the wall, and in the back there is a Ethernet jack and there is a button. Most likely it's a power button, and you can see that there is a HDMI port. It's most probably the eARC port. And in the back, this side, there is nothing, not much. So it's quite simplistic in design. Let me put it in our the power cord and the HDMI ARC cable. It looks like it's a user guide included here. Let's see what is included here. Yes, it's a user guide included. It's in English. So it says about first need to connect to the Artboard, HDMI Artboard to the TV, and to attach the power cord. Then go to the App Store, whatever App Store you have or what your phone brand is. Go to the App Store and download the Sonos app. And use it. Cord. This comes with EU power adapter, and there is. Just open it. It's actually quite big. Looks like around 1.5 meter long. And this is the HDMI Arc cable. So let me open it. So this is the HDMI. And it's quite so big. It's almost like 1 meter long. It looks like there is a optical adapter included. And let me see, what is this? One thing to tell you that it looks quite nice. The packaging is quite looks good and it's professional. Sonos provides quite a lot of detail to this packaging thing. And okay, so this is Arc to Optical Setup. So it's an adapter. Let's see how it is used. This is the one end of the cable. It should go here. And the other end should go to the back of your TV. If you have, which in our case, which one? You can see this. The second HDMI in is the Artboard, so I have to attach it to the second HDMI port. Fits nicely here. So to attach this power cable somewhere, we have to find out where it is. The power cable. Okay, on this side actually, the opposite side, there is a power cable port. We have to attach it this. This hole. Okay, now the power cable is in.